welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay textures on CapCut PC. So select your video and add it to your track and go to library, go to local, go back and find the texture that you want to add. Select it and add it on top of the video and just adjust it to the video. So scale it up, go to blend mode and select the one that looks the best with the texture, like this plastic one. It's obviously the screen or the brightened one. It is totally up to you which one you pick. Just play around with it. You can add in even more textures on top of that. So something like this, so it creates this like plastic texture, but you can also add in texture from effects. You won't have that many options though. Let's see, this texture one, you can just apply it to your videos. You have like this painting one, this printed look one, this folded looking one, can't really see it but blends somewhere there. They also have this plastic one, but if you want to have more texture you do have to, download it just like I did. Can't really see it that clear maybe on the second one. But that is basically it really. It is better to overlay yourself. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!